this here. See guys, they look something like this.
If you start from today, you may look into the mirror after 6 months or a year and thank yourself because.
So hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How's everything's going? Right now, everything is fine. You see? Yeah. How is your gym going, bro? How is your progress? I see your biceps getting bigger. Keep up the good work, buddy. Don't quit the gym. And don't do cheat meals. Okay. Welcome back. So what the catch is that I got some packages and I'm gonna show you in the next video, and we are going to have a little bit of a very nice push session. Okay, keep watching that push session because in that push workout it's a classic 20-degree incline and flat bench press. That is a 2 months old video. Right now I have increased my PR, means I do for 80 kg for 3 reps. Not bad for 14 months of training, man. I think I can still reach 100 kg. I'm aiming to complete 100 kg by this year. Sorry, because due to my college and studies, I couldn't post the videos so recently. Like it's been like 2 months I have not posted video. Right now I'm editing the old clips and making a new vlog. I will try to stay consistent in this summer. Are you vibing, bruh? Are you vibing, bruh? Yeah, keep vibing, bruh. Keep vibing. Okay, that's what I'm gonna say. Because if you don't get jacked, you have literally 0% of chance getting baddies, goth baddies. Not only for goth baddies, you have to be jacked because your friends will give respect to you and people treat you better if you look good and have big muscles and stay fit. People, they really appreciate it in the back of their mind unconsciously, and you can be a better person for your son in future. So stay jacked, okay? Jacked. Are you marine, bruh? Guys, we have two different package. Let's cut them. One is a shorts and this one is a normal track pant. Let's unbox them. See guys, they look something like this. Yeah, they are nice. Next time we are gonna see what we are unboxing. Today we got another package. Let's cut open this shit. It looks something like this, and let's open it. Oh, still remaining? Okay then. Wow, this is how it looks. Okay then. Woo. We have this package. Let's unbox and see what is inside the package. We have these two things. And what is this? Baby puzzles and that. Okay. The dress is somewhat like this. Okay. Then we got this here. Even come, man. Shit. So, guys, today again we have another package in the let's see what is this. This is a bag. I can't believe this is a bag. Okay, I really liked it, man. Okay. Yo, happy day, guys. In the home we got another package in the house. Let's unbox them. And then we have this guy here. Oh, this guy is a nice what do we call him? A bunch of socks. They are really a nice bunch of socks here. YNS, some random company spamming to my address. What is this? This one seems pretty interesting. So this one here is a gym bag, especially designed for me. Drink H2O, go to stay healthy. You guys have 0% of getting this if you are not a fitness influencer. So become a fitness influencer and you can make this 0% 100%. Thank you guys. So yo guys, another package here in the house. Let's see what we have today in this package. Wow, open ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಯಾಕ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಕುಯ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ಒಮ್ಮೆ. So okay, we got what's in the house. Oh, this one is a little bit messed up, but